Lights on.
Lights on.
Camera rolling. And action.
This is my friend Audrey. What can you say about the punches of your enemy? This is your enemy.
Ayun, lagyan mo.
This is your enemy. What can you say about the punches of your enemy?
Yeah, even though, you know what, man?
Yeah, what man?
You know,
Angkon, kusog di.
What man?
you know, it's very much a hard punch.
Hard punch, all hard punch. How come?
You know.
How come? How come?
You know.
What?
You know.
Di ko mo
Ay,
you know.
pagka babae na ako, niya masakit ang kaato.
Okay. Relax.
Okay.
Te.
First and foremost, babae ko, dito masakitan. Kaya, of course, fight naman siya.
I know.
Second, nakainom ko, sumakod kusog. Di ko mo ito nasakitan ko, buang, patakar mo ka.
But
Pero yan,
in the fight,
nag-agot si Kato.
me as a referee, in the fight, reality fight, what were you thinking? Why did you punch your friend?
Sumo ko silong siya. Ug na siya, okay na sa manumbag. So, nisumbag na sad ko.
So you were thinking about someone else?
Yes. Yes, very much. Uy,
Alright.
ano lang, kung itanaw ka ni ha, tanaw ka sa YouTube. Tingin ang yawa ka.
Okay.
Tanawa sa YouTube. Di ba, Bart? Tanawa sa YouTube.
Ikaw long.
Katong gisumbag ni Tia.
Gamay ra kayo to.
Gamay ra kito. Kanang akong isumbag nimo.
Wala, usara ka kumo. Hagba na ka. Ay, nabinawangis tayo ha. Ay, pasuwi ba?
Wa mo na. Oops. Tura. Wa mo na.
Bitaw, long.
Long.
Kung buwang nga ka ba?
Wow, ko gwapo. Okay.
Ayaw na, binawangis tayo.
May gwapo na ba ito silong?
Excuse me, what?
Ituraan sa siya.
Oh, God!
Ay,
For your information, lamig ito lawas.
Ew! Dire.
Long, lamig
Bay, si
Kung kagon ka pa.
ako man si Larry King, ikaw ay boxer.
Larry King live.
In your perception, is Long more beautiful than you?
Yes, of course.
Yes, of course, yeah!
I'm very much confident.
How can you say that kind of phrase in national TV?
Long, ay binawangis tayo. Kay Patyon, di ka. Patyon, kita kang buwang nga ka. Ay, binawangis. Gikulatan ako tayo sa kung naong. Even though I'm smiling, but kibaw ka?
Okay, yun.
Palangga na ako sa iya, ha?
Okay.
Tawang daw.
But in international TV, how would you define your feelings for Tia?
Ato, tas the bus makita.
Huh?
The bus ta makita.
We will ask the girl which is behind me. Alright.
Ask the girl.
Alright.
I'm busy.
Hey,
Come on.
this is national TV, right? National TV.
National mo mata.
National TV. Hindi ka na